My name is Goose. Some people call me Fart Waffle, but I'm not sure why. I'm a majestic Australian cattle dog of the wild. At least, I was before these humans brought me home. Feeling the wind in my fur on the drive home, it was awesome. I couldn't wait to be out of that cage. At least I didn't have to hear all the racket since I'm deaf. Anyways, I was so excited to get home. Then I met him. My dreams of being an only dog went out the window. The humans think he's special, but he's just a pup. I just have to keep him in check from time to time. I tried to escape many times, but they always catch me. I'll just have to live out the rest of my days here. At Casa da Goose. Then it's nap time. This is my nap spot. Sometimes I sleep here too. Humans built this for me. Actually, I sleep everywhere. When I smell the human food, that's my cue to climb the weird stairs. Sometimes I get steak, not tonight. But if I watch them, they give me food. With my belly full, I like to relax and watch TV. I like to go to bed early, unlike these humans. Luckily, this stupid gate doesn't keep me in. All settled into bed, I sleep, preparing to do it all again tomorrow. That's my life, every day. Because I am Goose.